Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable change monitoring into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable change monitoring, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet application. And after opening your Bitget wallet, you just simply have to tap into this 4 circle into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into there, you will get this option of advanced setting. Tap to advanced setting, and then you will get this option of enable change monitoring. Now if this toggle for enable change monitoring is disabled, you just simply have to tap into that and enable it. Then you can easily see all of the changes and keep track of them into your Bitget wallet. You can select it into here and read it carefully if you would like to, and then tap to OK. This way you can easily enable change monitoring into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.